All right, guys, welcome back. eCom Tom here with another video on sourcing. I said I was going to drop a video today in my Facebook group. So if you aren't in my Facebook group, you don't know when I'm going to drop videos, please join the group. There's a lot of great information in there. I try to answer every question that comes about that I have an answer to. Sometimes I don't have an answer, but I try my hardest. So that being said, this video is going to be on sourcing from Zikanalytics. Usually, so in the last video, you guys really enjoyed how I sourced from Amazon and how I simplified it. So this time I'm going to go about talking about Walmart, the other source that I actually use. I only really use Amazon and Walmart, and I use Walmart more as the high ticket, high profitability items, but Amazon is more the fast moving, lower profit. With a mixture of both, I think it's a happy medium, and they combine together very well, and you get a nice mix. And that's how I fill in my store and how I do over 100,000 to 140,000 in sales a month on eBay. So that being said, I'm going to go over how I go about searching items for Walmart or sourcing them from Walmart. And at the end, I'm going to show you guys a few tips and tricks that really make it extremely easy. So make sure to stay tuned because there's a couple keywords that just make it so easy that it's just so simple at that point. So that being said, I usually start out the same way I start off on Amazon. Basically, go to walmart.com and I type in an item or try to find an item. You can go through the categories, but once you start looking at Walmart, you realize a lot of the items that people drop ship are outdoorsy items, more like home kitchen type items and stuff like that. So I always start off by typing in like trampoline or something. And yes, I already did do this beforehand so that I don't spend 10 minutes or whatever searching around just to not get anything. But this was my second attempt. This is my second item that I found. So, I mean, it's not like it takes a while. It's just that I don't want to waste time on these videos for you guys. So you type in trampoline, you find this trampoline. It doesn't matter if this trampoline sold or if it's good at selling or not. I feel like I used to sell this back in the day, but I don't think I do anymore. So you copy and you try to exploit the fact again that people don't actually change the titles to their eBay listings. A lot of people don't do it. So you really find dropshippers easily this way when you just literally type in the same exact title on eBay from Walmart. So there is 0 results found, but there is close enough where we already found some dropshippers. So I always like to right click or hold down control and click, and that opens up another tab. And get 2 or 3 or 4 sellers open at a time. And then you can really just start going through them very quickly. So all I do is, hopefully you're not this person that I'm stealing from and putting on the internet, but I mean, it's for science, so it's okay. So I just put their name in, and that's basically all I do. I mean, you got to find it. I'm not going to go through calculating if this is profitable or not yet. It's going to be another video. I'm basically to turn all these sourcing videos into a playlist. So the playlist can just play you guys through on going from manually sourcing all the way through, basic Zik to advanced Zik sourcing. So this person has a pretty awful sell-through rate, you'll see. But they are selling some items in the last 30 days. So Walmart, the one thing you're going to realize is that Amazon, there's going to be higher volume on these items. You'll see some people that are selling 30, 40, 50, 100 a month. I've had an item that sold 170 times in 1 month before. But Walmart's not that way. You're going to have 5's good. If you sell 5 Walmart items, say it's a $500, $300 item, you're making $30, $40 a pop on it. That's good. So I go for items that are like 30 days. I mean, 5 sales in the last 30 days, 3 sales in the last 30 days, whatever. I mean, you can pick your lower limit, but if it's sold in the last 30 days, I mean, it's showing some promise. So here they do have a few items that have sold 2 to 3 times in the last 30 days, and we can look it up. So I already clicked on this pool before I even started this video. I mean, I only looked up this person beforehand, but they've sold this pool twice. So all you really want to do is just go down here, find a part of the description, and just search it in Google and see if you can find it. So right away, Walmart pops up, and it's selling on Walmart for $417, but there is freight shipping. If you want to deal with freight shipping, you can. I almost never deal with freight shipping. I only deal with free shipping things on Walmart, and anything over $35 on Walmart.com is free shipping. So I only sell items above $35 on Walmart. Some people like to add in the extra shipping costs, but I don't like to waste my time with that. So over here, you can click on this one. This is a patio set. They do a lot of patio things. So you can copy that, search in Google, and right away Walmart shows up. And it's $279, but there is freight shipping on this one too. So I like to do a lot of freight shipping on, but they're selling it at a huge markup, and they already sold one. I mean, it's not like they're selling a lot, but I mean, you already found items. We already found items here. So, I mean, we can move on to another seller because they seem to do a lot of freight shipping related things, and not a lot of people like to deal with that. So we can move on to this seller. They only have 155, but I mean, they sold 14 of this trampoline, and this trampoline is marked up pretty well, 266, 235. All right, so they're probably breaking even and only using cash back on the back end, which isn't really a plan that I like to follow or advise following. But I mean, to each their own, and everybody has their own game plan in this business. So it seems like the trampoline is their number one. This doorbell thing, I know this stroller is from Walmart. I mean, we can find it, and I know it's from Walmart. I'm pretty positive I sell this stroller. So search some of the description. Found it in Walmart, $149.99. But I mean, the color, it might change with color or whatever. I think it's this one, so $150, and they're selling it for $226. That's a huge markup. They're definitely making a lot of money if they sell it at that price. So that's basically the same way that you go about finding it. The same way as Amazon, you just got to kind of know how to work Walmart and just know the difference. You don't want to you need to make sure that I make sure that the item is over $35 so I can ensure free shipping. You want to make sure it's shipped and sold by Walmart, which it does say down here, sold and shipped by Walmart. Sometimes you don't get free returns if it's shipped and sold by something else. There's Hayneedle sells on Walmart. There's independent sellers on Walmart, just like there is on Amazon, but it's a lot more stringent on Walmart. I don't like to deal with freight shipping, so that is something you need to make sure that it is or isn't freight shipping because you don't want to run into that charge. And, I mean, that's about it. So if you guys stuck around this long, I really thank you guys for that. I hope you guys subscribe, join my free Facebook group. It's all going to be in the description down here. I am going to post a link to my affiliate link for Zikanalytics. We did have some people sign up. If you guys are finding value in this and you want to help me out a bit, you can sign up with my Zikanalytics affiliate link, and it would really make my day. So that being said, if you stuck around this long, I'm going to show you guys the couple keywords that will really help you out and help you find items. You don't even have to go on Walmart to find these items. It's that easy. So literally, you can use, Walmart has some of its own name brands or brands that are only sold on Walmart.com. Some of those are mainstays. There's a lot of things like Better Home and Gardens is one. Mainstays. I always type in mainstays. That's the number one go-to. There's a lot of Gold's Gym stuff that I haven't seen anywhere else, and it's mainly on Walmart. I did find something today called, I just wrote it down here, that's why I'm looking, called Hyper Tough. I don't think I've seen that anywhere before, and I've seen a lot from Walmart in the past couple of days from what my VAs have been sourcing. So it seems like some of these are from Walmart. Look into it. I'm not sure, but they could be on Home Depot as well. But Mainstays is the number one. So if you go to Mainstays, you don't even have to go onto Walmart.com. You can just type in Mainstays, and anything that looks like it's drop shipped is most likely being drop shipped. Let's be honest here. So we can open this up in a new tab. It doesn't matter. It's all furniture related stuff, and it's all Walmart's own brand. I'm pretty positive. So you can do like a reverse that way. I mean, you want to make sure that it is on Walmart. So, I mean, they didn't even change the title of this. So if you search in Google, what a surprise, Walmart, it showed up. I don't know if this is the same thing. It might not be. It looks like it could be. Yeah, I mean, I think it's just a different color. So that's the same picture as this. It's just a different, oh, the color's right here. So that's it. We found it that quickly. So we know this is a Walmart dropshipper. Pretty inexperienced Walmart dropshipper because he has zero feedback. So we don't want to ruin his account. So, I mean, this is a desk. You could look this up. Basically, we are just exploiting the fact that people are too lazy to change their titles or to do anything, and they just copy it from Walmart. Or maybe they use a bulk method or whatever it is, and they use just the titles from Walmart or Amazon. I'm not docking their methods. I'm just saying that we can exploit their methods and easily find drop shippers on Zikanalytics that way. If you want to snipe and you want to go about this way of drop shipping, this is the way I advise. This is what I do. And this is how I suggest going about finding Walmart items. And Walmart is a great supplier to add to your arsenal in general. There's always cash back, and you can always have the Walmart cashback credit card, which isn't as good as the Amazon one, but it's still pretty good. So if you did enjoy this video, again, please subscribe. We're almost at 200 subscribers on the channel. My Facebook group's almost at 750 members, I think. We're trying to hit 1,000 soon. There's going to be a big announcement when we hit 1,000. So stay tuned. Join in. Look down in the description. There's going to be links there. There's going to be some descriptions. There's going to be some just other description to this video. And I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys in the next one.